Hi, I'm Tiffany, and today we're going to be making avocado tomato toast. This is a great recipe to enjoy for breakfast or as a tasty snack. Top 2 slices of 100% whole wheat bread with reduced fat cheddar cheese. Toast until bread reaches desired level of doneness and cheese is melted. If no toaster oven is available, you can broil the toast in the oven for 2 minutes. While your bread is toasting, gently rub a tomato and avocado under cold running water. Dice your tomato. Cut the avocado in half from stem to stem. Be careful to hold knife away from hand while cutting. Remove the pit with a spoon and discard. Scoop the pulp into a small bowl. Mash avocado pulp. Mash avocado pulp and dice tomato. Top your toast with avocado and tomato mixture and sprinkle with 1/8 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper.
Eat, move, save.